Hello.
What is that?
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl TayPancakes, aka Taylor Stevens, aka Tay, and it's day 4 of Vlogmas, girl. What's up? Hello. So my first Vlogmas video was not Christmas related. I apologize, because I know like all of Vlogmas videos not Christmas related, but I feel like the first one should be. But we just gonna skip past that. Whatever. I got what y'all been waiting for. We got another nail video. Period. I went to go get a brush on gel nail kit. This is kind of similar to the one that I got before. If you haven't seen my other nail videos, I will link them below. This one was $8. And yeah, so what makes this Christmas, it's like I got some holiday colors. Like look, can y'all see that? No? It's like sparkly red and white. They didn't have green, and green is slightly tacky. So welcome to Taylor's Nail Salon. All right, so I'm gonna use this and prop this up so y'all can see. So now we got the double vision going on. Double time. All right, so this is what the nail kit looks like. But these aren't long, so the nails are gonna be short. This is what they look like. Ooh. They come like this. They come like this. It got the file, the instructions. We don't use those, and the cuticle pusher backer. Yeah, so I'm gonna just look at the box. The box has instructions right there. Y'all see that? Right there. I'm not opening this. Cause this right here, let me show you how long this is. If y'all think I'm about to read these directions, y'all seen them before. It's like a map. Oh, the end of the instructions? No. The end of the instructions. Oh no, sweetheart. Is this the end? Oh no. Hold up. And for the grand finale, fuck out of here. We not reading that. It says it's simply 4 steps. You apply the tip, you brush on the gel, brush on the activator, and you finish. Boom, that's that. Aww, it stopped recording. I just did the first half of this video with partially ashy lips. All right. Let's open these. So it opens like that. So I'm not gonna use the French tips because we're not doing French tips. Ooh, maybe I should do white and then 1 French. Oh, what I can do is I can do white, a French, and a red. Which I do. Yeah. We're gonna try to match these nails to my fingers. Y'all know how this goes. It's not easy to do. I mean, it is, but I'm a little slow, so that's beside the point. Hold up. This number 6. And this number 9. Suspicious. That's a little too wide for my little scrawny, skinny fingers. Y'all, I got skinny fingers. Oh, I didn't mean to flick it off. I got skinny fingers, so it's crooked. All these years, they've been right up on my fingers. They crooked. When they say your nail crooked, your nail crooked. Like, look at this. It look crooked, right? All right, so I picked my nails out. Apparently, I am a 3/6. What the freak? It's a 9, not a 6. What the heck? Oh, it's a 6. Well, why the heck it look like a 9? Oh, my middle finger 9? Oh. Why the hell my middle finger? Anyway, I'm a 3, a 6, a 9, a 7, and 11. I don't know what that means, but yeah, take with that what you will. So I picked out my color, my nails, and so now I just gotta apply it. So I'm gonna take the gel brush on applicator, aka the glue. I told y'all this is glue. It's just glue. It smells like glue. It's glue. Yeah, that's glue. That's what it look like. Oh. Will I get demonetized for that? I'm pretty sure that's considered huffing. I just inhaled it like that. Cuticle pusher backer, because I like to forget that. So I'm gonna just push my cuticles back. Y'all know how they go. I'm taking the flat side of the pusher backer, and yeah. That's not what it's called. That's what I call it. And if you're new to this channel, that's what I call it. That's what I call it. So don't ask no questions. So I push my cuticles back. That's as good as that's gonna get. So we're just gonna hurry up and put these nails on because I want to get to painting my nails, and this is taking a little bit longer than I thought it would. So I'm gonna start with the thumb. I'm gonna start by doing my doing my dominant hand first. So I'm gonna take the gel, the brush on gel. Do I brush it on my nails? No, I apply the tip, right? I'm out of storage. What's new? Nothing. As y'all know, every video, because I'm broke and can't afford a new phone or storage, I'm out of storage once again. Okay, yeah, this is easy. I like this. Okay, so the tip is on. Why is my arm so long? If y'all, I wish y'all really knew how far this camera was from me because it's pretty far, but I zoomed it up. So this is the, now I'll just take that off. That was easy. Let me tell y'all something. I say every video, if this works, you won't see me in these nail salons no more. All right, so I'm gonna just do the rest of the nails. This is really easy to do. But I got a brush on nail kit before, like a gel kit, and I don't remember it being this easy. You know why? Because it had that powder and stuff in there. See, simple as 1, 2, 3. God dang. And to think I was gonna pay for a full set. No, I wasn't. I'm broke. That's why I got this. Y'all don't know, here's the real tea. So the tea, all tea, piping hot, I be getting these things, right? Hear me out. I get these kits and it's like a win-win because I'm broke, can't really afford to get the nails done, right? And on top of that, you do your nails for the low, you know? Save money and make money. This is coming out really good. Y'all gonna see, even though y'all can't see because this camera decided that they won't have no storage. I'm gonna start to go from me. Can somebody help me get an iPhone 11? Forget an 11. Can I get an iPhone 10? I think mine is like a 7 or 8 was fine. And one of y'all was talking about me on Instagram, talk about why your phone's so old, because I took a picture in the mirror and somebody was like, why do you have that kind of camera? And I just felt attacked. All I gotta say. Cyberbullying is real. And don't let nobody tell you different. Kids are mean. They're mean. Especially, it be the young ones. They be like 10, 11 under my comments cussing me out. But y'all free to say what y'all want, I guess. All right, this is the first hand. Why it's not working? Yes. Hold on, focus. Yes. Y'all see that? I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna do the other hand and I'm gonna come back so we can paint it. All right, so I got the nails on. They looking real natural looking. So when you take the tips off, they leave like this little piece on there. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about. If you don't, you'll figure it out. Quickly get that part off. A little piece of the tip left on there. They don't want that. So far I'm like 20 minutes in, something like that. And that's not including me babbling my mouth at the beginning. So if you do this at home without running your mouth, it's faster. The next thing to do is to apply the brush on gel on top. But what is this? It says this is brush cleaner. What the heck I use brush cleaner for? So do I use the brush cleaner brush for the activator brush and put the activator brush on the side? Ah! Oh, okay. So there's no brush in the activator. I see. So do I put it in the cleaner in between, or will the cleaner just get dirty? I'm confused. I gotta read the directions. Give me a second. They in like 50 different languages. Can't find English. What is that? I'm so confused. I think I did it wrong. That's why you gotta read the directions. Okay. So instead of a paper towel, I have an old shirt that I'm not gonna wear. So they basically saying to apply the gel and apply the activator. That's all it is. They don't too much. So I'm gonna take the gel, apply over the nail. They said don't get it on the cuticle. So now I'm opening the activator, grabbing my brush cleaner. Now I apply the, oh, stink. So you dip it into the activator. Ooh, that activator thick. Like I'm trying to be. All right, and then boom. So you just do them to the rest of your nails. Now you take the brush. You're supposed to wipe it off. We don't got a paper towel, we got a shirt here. This is a hood salon. And we're gonna throw it back in the brush cleaner. Boom, boom, baby. And then you're supposed to do the rest of the nails and then do a second layer. So we're gonna do that. So once again, gel. Put the gel back in there. Take the brush out the cleaner, period. Put it in the activator. Period. Lay that hoe on. They said to put it on the wet gel, so don't let the gel dry first. We don't want that. We want wet gel. Wipe it off on the paper towel. And bam, baby. This one look kind of funny. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, there we go. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it look kind of good for the first layer. Yup. This the other one. Yup. It's gel, brush out cleaner, into the activator, on the nail, wipe it off, back in the cleaner. I'm gonna do that for the rest of my nails, apply a second layer, and I'm gonna be back. Alright, so I'm done. So basically, after I put the second layer on, I just had to put one more layer of this on, the gel on the top with no applicator. I'm gonna just show y'all what's going on. Hello. Alright. So this is them. Don't be in the comments talking about they thin, because I know, but this is what they told me to do, so I'm following strictly directions. Okay, yeah, so that's that. I want them to look natural, so this is what they look like. Natural. They look like my nails a little bit, don't they? Don't they? Right. Back up. So the last thing I can do is put the beautiful red and white polish on my nails. I haven't really decided what I was going to do as far as the combination of the colors, but we're just going to wing it here. So I have, what brand is this? Salon Perfect, this sparkly looking color. Wait. Focus. Can y'all see what's going on without it focusing? Because it's not going to focus. Why am I tired from walking to the camera and back? That's ridiculous. All right, the first layer looks dusty, but that's okay because we're gonna fix that. It's gonna look cute in a second. Honestly, I kind of like it natural, but it's supposed to be Christmas colors, so I'm gonna make it Christmas colors. I should have got a nude and called it a goddamn day. That's what I should have did. All right, so I finished the first layer on both hands, and it looks stupid. Absolutely dumb, but that's okay because one more layer should fix it. Hopefully. So I'm gonna just go off camera, have a little mental breakdown while I do this, and yeah, I'll be back. Drum roll, please. Ta-da! The nails, 2 out of 10. Well, I'm sorry, the polish, 2 out of 10. I don't know. Oh, I just freaking hit my nail and there's a deformity in, maybe I could turn into a snowflake. I don't know why I cannot polish my nails, but this polish looks like garbage, sis. Pure garbage. So I tried to do like a, I'm not putting my middle finger up at y'all, I promise. I tried to do like a, I'm gonna just show y'all. Let's get some focus going here. So these are the nails. As you can see, that is where I chipped it. I mean, mess up the polish right here. As you can see, I tried to do like a red French, didn't work. But they are holiday-like, I must say. Real holiday-like. Real holiday-ish. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. Type stuff, you know? Other hand. Yup. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Overall review of this Kiss, this right here. This Kiss brush on gel nail kit. Very cheap, good bang for your buck. First things first. So they have French tips in here. I suggest you use the French tips, sis. Use the French tips. Brush on some clear gel and call it a day. If you're not good with polish, call it a day. Because these right here, baby, look a mess. Before I put these on, they looked cute. Like, I could have added another layer to make it a little bit thicker for the natural look, but it looked cute. So I'll give it a 8 out of 10 for the actual kit. So I cannot blame the kit. I am sorry. I cannot blame you. I cannot blame this kit. This is a lifesaver. This is cool. I cannot vouch for how long they last because, baby, it's only been 10 minutes since I've completed application. So we can't vouch for that. But I'll give y'all an update. But besides that, I gotta give it an 8 out of 10 so far for the easiness of the application and so on and so forth. It was much easier than the dip powder kits. Now, fast forward. The polish, get it out of here. Get it out of here. I don't know if it's a manufacturer error or if it's because I can't apply it, but to make myself feel better, I'm gonna blame the company. So shame on you, Salon Perfect. Shame on you for not making this an easy process for me. So, because even before I added this stupid French tip in the middle, it still looked dumb. It looked dumb. So whose fault is that? Not mine. It's like my overall nails, like the look of them, I give them a 1 out of 10. I hope you guys enjoyed this semi-holiday Vlogmas day 4 video. And yeah, stay classy. We won't keep trying till I don't gotta go to the nail salon no more. But as of right now, I'm probably gonna go to the nail salon and have them take these off. But one of these days, I'm gonna be able to say, yo, I can do it myself. But this right here, actually, I can. You know what? We're not speaking like that. I can do it myself. I just can't polish myself. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Happy Vlogmas! Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry. This is like I always do that. It looks like I'm throwing them gang signs. I don't rep nothing, y'all. I swear to God, like.